Hi guys, welcome to new video. Today's video is going to be very interesting because these accidents can be happen anytime to anyone. So should must learn these self-defense techniques. So let's start the video and don't skip any part of this video. Technique number 1. If someone suddenly chokes you in the street in this way, then you should immediately apply this technique with your shoulder support. Grab his wrist like this and twist your shoulder in this way, then hit knee on his face and lock him. Technique number 2. If someone grab your wrist in the street in this way, and then you should immediately apply this technique like this. If he pulls you, then you have to twist your wrist around his thumb like this way. When he leave you, then you have to run away from there. Technique number 3. This technique is very important for girls or kids. If someone grab your both hands like this, if he grab you in this way and threatens to you and not attacking you at that time, then what technique should you apply and free yourself and run away from there? In this situation, first you have to feel you are scared, then take little step forward and bend your body between his arm and move forward. When you do this, his wrist will be twist. When you push, he will leave you and you can run away from there. Technique number 4. This technique is also very important for girls or old ages. If someone grab your wrist with his both hands, then you have to immediately apply this technique. Step number 1. Grab your hand like this and twist over his both hands. When you're twisting your arm like this, you feel pain, too much pain. You will use your shoulder force, full body force, and you can kick on his face and run from there. Guys, now we will show you this technique in fast and how you can apply it in real.